What's up everyone, hope you guys are doing great. Today we are going to have a quick review of HUAWEI Gentle Monster Eyewear II smart glasses. So we are going to talk about its design, features, specs, performance while performing a quick unboxing as well. So here we go. So first of all, let's start with the unboxing. Inside the retail box of HUAWEI Gentle Monster Eyewear II, you will find a very premium looking case for the smart wear, a USB Type-C cable, and few quick start guide, user manuals, etc. And inside the charging cum carrying case, you will find the HUAWEI Gentle Monster Eyewear II. In terms of design and build quality, you got a very premium craftsmanship with HUAWEI Gentle Monster Eyewear II. We got titanium alloy flexible hinges which are very durable and contribute in the overall premium experience. The lenses are made by Zeiss and it comes with UV protection as well. Unlike few other smart glasses, there is no port, no buttons. That gives a very premium and minimalistic look to the HUAWEI Gentle Monster Eyewear II. The center of gravity is adjusted in a way that there is no pressure on your nose and you can wear these glasses for long without feeling any discomfort. On both left and right temples, the touch sensors are provided that support tap and slide gestures. But the most interesting thing about the design of HUAWEI Gentle Monster Eyewear II is the flat bar technology used to provide a seamless transition between the frame and the lens. It looks like one single material on the front side, and even if you move your finger from lens to the frame, you won't feel any distinction between these two. And once again, it gives a very minimalistic and super premium look to the HUAWEI Gentle Monster Eyewear II. We got a speaker and microphones on both left and right side, and they are hidden so well that the Eyewear II does not look like a smart glass from any angle and gives the impression of a fashion accessory instead. There are 4 different variants of eyewear available, 2 sunglasses and 2 with plain glasses, and you can even remove the plain glasses to use the prescription glasses if needed. So when it comes to design and build quality, HUAWEI Gentle Monster Eyewear II is a very premium product in every aspect. The case provided is also very premium and comes with solid build quality. It comes with NFC technology, so to charge your Gentle Monster Eyewear II, all you have to do is just keep your glasses inside the case and connect the case with a USB Type-C cable and the power source. On the back of the case, we got the USB charging port, an LED indicator, and a button to activate the pairing mode. One of the drawback here is that there is no battery provided in the charging case itself, so whenever you want to charge your Gentle Monster Eyewear II, you will have to plug it into a power source. Talking about the battery, the Eyewear II comes with 85 mAh battery, so you will get around 4 hours of music and nearly 3 hours of voice calls using the Gentle Monster Eyewear II. And when it comes to charging time, it takes a bit more than 90 minutes to charge the battery of Eyewear II from 0% to 100% using the charging case. Now talking about the features and performance, the audio quality of HUAWEI Gentle Monster Eyewear II is just impressive considering the small size of the speakers. The audio quality is brilliant, you get good amount of bass, very clear vocals, and you will enjoy all kind of music on HUAWEI Gentle Monster Eyewear II. It comes with reverse sound fill technology and a leakage hole design that reduces the audio spreading away from the user, so the people surrounding you won't be able to listen what you are listening on your Eyewear II. The sound of course leaks a bit, and in a very quiet room, if you use the full volume on Eyewear II, then people close to you in around 2 meter radius will be able to get the idea that you are listening something on your Eyewear II, but not what exactly you are listening. So this is a very good thing if you are concerned about the privacy. Eyewear II comes with Bluetooth 5.2, so the connectivity is very nice and it provides low latency, so you can even use it for playing games and watching videos. HUAWEI's AI Life gives you lots of options that you can use with the HUAWEI Gentle Monster Eyewear II. You can turn on or off any of the features available on this device, and you can even update the software using the HUAWEI AI Life application. The smart wear detection works perfectly every single time, so once you put your Eyewear II on your ears, it turns on by itself, and based on the time of the day, it also greets you. You can even use your HUAWEI Gentle Monster Eyewear 2 to record high quality audios using the multiple mics provided on the Eyewear 2. The auto pause play function is also very nice and it works perfectly without any failure. HUAWEI Gentle Monster Eyewear 2 also comes with an adaptive volume technology for voice calls, under which, depending on the ambient sound, it automatically adjusts the volume of the Eyewear 2 for voice calls for better privacy. We got touch sensors on both left and right side that you can use to play, pause the music, answer the call, launching the smart assistant on your smartphone to switch between the tracks and changing the volume levels. The swipe gesture is easy to use and works perfectly every single time, but for the double tap you will have to put some effort and you need to tap a bit hard to make it work. Overall, HUAWEI Gentle Monster Eyewear 2 is the best smart glass that you can buy right now. The audio quality is very impressive considering the output of a smart glass. The design is beautiful and it is very premium from every single aspect. The features are very nice and contribute in the overall smart glass experience. So that's all for now, friends. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it useful, then give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. And I will see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.